Okay, today is December 9th, Sunday, and we're just going to take a little video of the Aqua 12-foot skiff for sale. It's a really great little skiff with a Yamaha 4-stroke motor that will start up soon. Got a neat center cockpit, very efficient, nice cushions, sits four very easily. One of the great things is the fuel tank is encased inside the helm here, and that makes for a more efficient aft transom area. So take another look at it. It's really in nice shape. All current 2013 registration. Once again, the center cockpit. There's the manufacturer's tab. And we're going to start up that. And we're right now running salt away through that motor. But as you can see, it hasn't been started in probably 2 weeks. Starts right up, great water flow. It's always been rinsed out, and usually once a month we do it with the salt away product, which is a great product. Okay, so there is the Aqua Pro dinghy with the Yamaha 25 horse 4-stroke.